Hello there. This is Music Man 0150, also known as Gary. And I wanted to take this opportunity to show you my father's cuckoo clock. This is the one that I was talking about when I was showing my cuckoo clock in another video on here. And for those of you that are cuckoo clock fans, or you like vintage clocks themselves, I thought it'd be interesting to show you this one, because as I describe in the other video showing my cuckoo clock, this one has the little man that comes out to play the music, and it's almost 12 o'clock, so I thought this would be a good opportunity to show you this clock at that hour, so you get to see the bird and the little man that comes out. There's a story behind this one as well. This one used to hang in the hallway in the old house that my parents and I used to live in, which was one house over from where we are now. And as always, it would chime at the hour and half hour, and also the little man would come out and play his songs on the hour and half hour as well. And whenever it wouldn't run, the house was so quiet. It was too quiet. So I'll tell you, the cuckoo clock, the ticking, just the ticking, it breaks that dead silence in the house. And that's why I have one too. So let me give you a close-up view of the clock itself, and you'll see that it's just a little bit different from the one that I showed you in the other video. It's kind of similar, but there are some differences. As I said, this one has the man that comes out and plays the music, and the pendulum is different. I'll show you the pendulum swinging. There, as you can see, the pendulum is swinging there. And real quickly, so we don't miss the action, there's the 3 weights. See, this one has an extra weight too to keep it running. But as you notice, there's 3 on this one rather than just 2. The left one is for the chime, the music. The middle one is for the ticking. And the right one is for the cuckoo. So we'll go ahead and zoom back up to the clock so we don't miss anything. And we'll get a nice shot of the near the top there, so you can see the bird and the man come out. And I'll put the camera light on too, and that sheds a little more light on the subject. While we're waiting, I just want to tell you that it's kind of cloudy out today again. It's raining. It's supposed to get more thunderstorms. So really can't do much outside, show you anything outside, but I hope to soon, once the weather breaks again, and show you some things out there. Seems like a long time when you're waiting, just waiting for something to happen. It seems like a minute takes forever, but we're just going to wait here a little bit, and it should be popping out any second now. Trying to hold the camera as steady as possible, because I'll tell you, it gets a little heavy holding it this high like this for quite a length of time. But it's creeping up to 12 o'clock, so any second now. I'll get real close so you can see. I don't mean to move, but it's getting heavy. Well, any time now, it should be occurring. That's right there, 12 o'clock. So it should be popping out any minute. Okay, my watch says 12 o'clock. So the cuckoo should be chiming any second now. I keep saying that, but nothing's happened yet. And the sirens are going off. I can hear them. Well, any time now. I know you're getting bored. And I do apologize, but this is unpredictable when it's going to happen. There we are. Okay, finally. Finally it did it. And let me go ahead and zoom real quick here at the very top, because this cuckoo has a very unique top on it. If you look at it, it almost looks like a moose with the horns on the top. I'm not sure if that's a moose or not, but it looks really cool. So there's that cuckoo clock from my father's house. So I hope you enjoyed the video anyway, even though it was kind of not as descriptive, and there was some waiting time in there. But I hope you did enjoy it, and just enjoying the view of the clock. So with that, I'm going to sign off for now, and we'll be sharing more things with you very soon. So this is MusicMan0150 signing off for now, and we'll be sharing more stuff with you soon. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.